Guys, we're gonna be doing a Barbie Dream House tour. Me and my mom built on Bloxburg, but she actually built it. But I decided what dollhouse to make. It looks so cool, guys. You can see the picture of the real Barbie Dream House. What do you think of mine, guys?
Comment below.
Comment down below. We got a Speedbuild coming your way. think of the Speedbuild? Is it cool? Is it cool? Is it? My mom's very cool, isn't she? Uh-huh. I need to hear those words. Let's start the tour, guys. This is my house, and it's nice, and it's pretty because it's a Barbie mansion. That's what it looks like from the front. First of all, I want to show you my avatar, guys. Look how cute she is, guys. Isn't she so cute? Guys, here's the front entrance. Then we have a pretty pink rugs, and then we have a like rack to put like our jumpers and crazy things. And then we have like a little table with books and a little lamp and like a picture and a little candle and a little like plant. And then here's our garage with our pretty pink car. Why is she in the back, guys? We have to get her in the front. She's so silly. Okay. Now she's driving the car. It's very pretty. This is the sunset. It's getting nighttime a little, but it's okay. Look at her cone on her head. It's on the car. It's so funny. It goes through the car. Then we have a pretty basic lights. And then moving on to the kitchen. So we have this pretty dining table. And then we have a pretty kitchen. And it's so pretty. She's very basic, guys. She has a basic pink color. She just loves pink. Because Barbie's favorite color is dark pink, light pink, and white, and gold. So that's pink. Ooh. Okay, then we have a little fruit bowl. I love fruit, guys. To tell you, my favorite fruit is apples because I love apples. Then we have a knife thing, majiggy, whatever it's called, with a knife on. And then we have a stove. That's to show you if you missed the tour a little bit. And then we have our elevator to the second floor and the third floor. We're going to the second floor, guys. Oh, in the elevator we are on the second floor. Now this is a living room, guys. She has the lamp, or telescope, whatever it's called, and we have a TV remote. And you always need a remote, guys. Then we have pretty lounge, some curtains, a picture of Barbie, and another picture, and then a little plant. She just loves herself, guys. Plants. Oh, and then this is the bathroom. I agree. It's very pink. I really say the shower's a little bit weird. Look at the toilet, guys. And look at that picture. It's so cute. And then we have like a little lamp and some papers and a cactus and a picture. And then we have some drawers. And guys, if you're wondering what the shower looks like, if you say to me, it looks pretty weird to me because it doesn't like have glass around it, and it's very weird for me. Then we have some towels, and then we have a plant, and then 2 pictures, and then we have like some makeup and a brush and some more towels. Then another plant, and then 2 sinks, and then a mirror, a big shiny mirror, and then some soap, and then some more towels. And I did not even mention the bathtub. It's so cute. And the little plant. And we're moving on to the elevator again. Party in the elevator, we mean. And we're going on to the 3rd floor. Guys, trust me, you're gonna love the 3rd floor. It's so amazing. Then we have like a little, if you're cold, you can go to the warm area. Then she has her work area. And she has that lava lamp, and it's so cute with that little stuff I mentioned. That clock is so cute. That's to mention. I wish I had that house, guys. Then she has like a little library. Barbie reads because she's very smart. Guys, comment down below what's 7 plus 2008. A picture. So Lex area was a picture of her. And a fireplace, just in case if you're cold. Nice and cozy. You can also sleep there. That'd be very warm. And then moving on to a closet. It's very big. That's to say, because for those little tiny drawers, that actually has a code, and then if you do the code correct, it opens that closet, and it's massive. Then she has like some pants, some t-shirts. And then she has a mirror. Then this is her bedroom, very basic pink. She has a picture of herself. And she has a toy unicorn because she loves unicorns. And she has like a little room to sit with her friends, like with Teresa or Nikki, with her friends. And this is her bed with her like whole room. And she has like a makeup place. She has a makeup vanity. It's so cute. Let me show you guys. This is so cute. I can never agree on that. Never agree on that. That is so tiny and cute. Yeah. And there's perfume. I didn't even know. There was perfume. I didn't even know that, guys. That, I did not even see that. There's an art easel, and then look at our balcony, guys. It's pretty short with some, never jump over those fence, because if you jump over those fence, it might rip you, and it might rip your skin, and it'll bleed. And guys, going back to the number 1 floor. Okay guys, what do you think of my house? Give me a thumbs up if you like it. That's a big plant just saying, guys. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the house tour. Bye. See you guys next time. Bye. Stay sweet. Bye.